Okay, final go over for the game room. 150 inches per your plans. This shelf, 12 inches of height, 14 inches of height. The toe kick will be flush with the frame of the cabinet, and there'll be an 1/8 inch seam underneath this piece. So this cabinet and your plans, this is 1.5 inches, and then there'll be an 1/8 inch seam under that, making that flush piece that goes to the carpet. All these stiles and rails are 1.5 inches, and then the countertop will be 1.5 inches tall. So the cabinet case shown here, 30.5, plus our 1.5 inches on the bottom, 1.5 inches at the top, which gives us a height of 33.5. I think your SketchUp had it at 34, but just with the math given, these 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches, 1.5 for the cabinet plus these heights, it technically came out to 33.5. I don't think that's an issue, but just flying that by you. And this front edge, if we'll do, that's actually needs to be 1 inch, because that front edge is going to be 1.5 inches thick on the countertop, and that material's 3/4. But 1 inch would work better overhang on the exposed sides and the front. And then the sides of these bookcases, here, and the one on this side, will have that shaker panel. The LED strip lighting that is in the bottom of these guys, that's the cutout for that track to drop in there. .45 inches on the width, like you have it. This wall here, same thing. So just making sure that's good. And then on these guys here, top at 36, walnut top, recessed toe kick, walnut shaker doors, and then the other side and the other side of the sink couch, the same thing. So just making sure this is good per your plans. Thanks. Bye.